Welcome back guys, but if you're new then please help support my channel by liking and subscribing. Also help me reach to 600 subscribers. On my channel I make quick tips and tricks, pair skits so you're not wasting time watching a 20-minute video when I can make it 5 minutes less. Also I make pair skits for you guys' entertainment. Also on my channel I give a shout out once a week to a new subscriber. If you didn't get a shout out, it's alright because I give shout outs to those who donate, those who give me video ideas, then also I do shout outs for shout outs. And if you'd like to donate, I'll be leaving my Cash App and my Amazon wishlist in link description. So today's video is an unboxing video, but before I start it's time to give a shout out to a new subscriber. So today's shout out goes out to Lorenzo de Herrera. Alright guys, so let's begin. This is from an anonymous and it says enjoy your gift. Ooh, wow, really appreciate this. Oops, I accidentally hit the camera. But yeah, it's a Adidas hat. Oh, I didn't know if it was green on the bottom, but still it looks nice. That's real nice. See, it has green, but it still looks nice. I really like it. Black is my favorite color. Now for the other one. Hold on, I forgot to read the note. Just for the cute pug named May. She put M-A-E, supposed to be M-A-Y. From May's admirer Linda B from Florida. I really appreciate it. It's a rabbit. Yeah, it's a rabbit. This one, I don't know what this one is. Oh, it's what's it called? Not a platypus. It's yeah, I don't know. I think that's all. Oh, it's a beaver. And this is a duck and an alligator. Make sure there's nothing she could choke on. Yeah, you like that? You like that, mamas? You like that? Which one? Which one? Which one? Hmm? Which one? Say thank you. Oh, poor baby. Let's see. Which one? Good girl. Good girl, mamas. Good girl. Good girl. Alright guys, I'm gonna put her down so she can play with it. Go on, mamas. Sorry guys, it's the next day. My mic wasn't working. I think I accidentally pulled out the wire when I was adjusting the camera. So I'll be showing you guys some of the stuff that Linda also got me and my dog. So one of the gifts that Linda sent was this dress for May. It says Happy 4th of July. So I'll be making a video of putting this on her. And then for the other one, she got me like this really big pop-up. It's like a green screen and blue screen thing. I didn't expect it to be this big. So I really appreciate this. My dad bought me similar to that, but it's like a chair one. But the only thing is it's not meant for people in wheelchairs because I can't put it down all the way because my wheels blocked it. So I'll just be using this, but it's a great idea what my dad had though. Also let me know if you guys want me to do more natural videos like this or green screen or maybe both. Anyways, that's it for this video. If this video was entertaining and educational, don't forget to like, subscribe. Until next time, bye.